welcome to Social Guidance. In this video I will show you how to add captions in Canva. So for this I'm here on canva.com and let's go to uploads and firstly upload the video on which you want to add captions. Then adjust the video in the frame like this. Once the video is adjusted, now we will add captions here. So if I go to elements and search for captions, go to graphics, and here we want speech box. You can go with this one too. Here we will choose the box of which we can change the color to maybe this one. Okay, so here we can change the color. Let's make it pure white, or we can go with the black one. Here adjust the size and place it at the bottom like this. And now we need to add a text here. So for that we will go to text and click on add a little bit of body text. Here we need to type a question, or we need to add a caption that we want to add in this slide. So I will type, which is the popular country in the world. Now here we need to change the color of the font. So I will change it to white so it looks good on the black background. Now place it on the black rectangle like this. Now you can add animate here. Okay, this one looks good. And then click on this black background, and here we need to go with animate again. And this is how it looks like, and this is how you can add captions. Then you need to click on add a new slide, and here you can add the same way captions here. And in the same way you need to add multiple slides and keep adding captions for each slide. In this way you can add captions on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.